There was a boy named John who was so lazy he couldn't even change his clothes. One day, he saw the apple tree in their yard was full of fruits. He wanted to eat some apples, but he was too lazy to climb the tree and take the fruits. So he lay down underneath the tree and waited for the fruits to fall off. John waited until he was starving, but the apples never fell. Moral of the story: laziness can get you nowhere.
I created these story shorts completely using AI. As you notice, the boy face is same in the whole story, so don't miss that part. These videos are getting tons of views on both TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and yes, they are monetizable on both platforms, but you need to complete their monetization requirements. Don't worry, I can help you by offering pre-monetized YouTube or TikTok accounts. The link is in the description. Use this new year code to get 10% discount. Let's get started. For story, you can ask ChatGPT to write a kid's story for you. But I don't prefer AI-generated story, simply search for short kid story. You'll find a lot of story websites. Open any website and find a good story. I like this one, Lazy John. Copy the story. For prompts, open ChatGPT, here paste the story, and ask him to separate all the scenes of this story. Then ask him to convert each scene into prompts for AI image generation. Now we have prompts for all the scenes and sub-scenes. For images, open ChatGPT, at top left side, click on Explore GPTs. Search for consistent character, and open this GPT. It can create consistent images, means in every scene the face will be same. Click on Start Chat. Choose gender, in my case it's male. Then give him a name. Now he is asking for more details. For more details, go to Previous tab and ask him to give you the complete appearance of character. Then copy the appearance and simply paste it. Here your main character is ready. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you can easily generate images, but I am free user, so it's saying that my today's limit is reached. Don't worry, I have a solution. Click on the share button, then create link, and copy the link. Then, open a new browser or Chrome profile. Open ChatGPT, make sure it is logged in with a new account. In simple words, we need another account of ChatGPT. Here paste the conversation link. The chat is started from where we left. Now copy the prompt that we generated before. Paste the prompt and ask him to generate vertical image in 9:16. 16:9 is for YouTube, and 9:16 is for TikTok. Usually, ChatGPT cannot generate vertical images. If you face the same issue, ask him to generate image in square. In this way, generate all the images. If the credits ends again, simply copy the conversation link and open it in new ChatGPT's account. By this loop, you can create unlimited images for free. Here all the images are generated with the same face in every scene. For video generation, I am using Luma's Dream Machine. Search for Luma AI, and open this website. Sign in with Google. Here's Luma new interface. Click on Start Aboard. At bottom, click on this image button, and upload the image that we created. Then click on this setting button, choose videos, and select the ratio of your video. Here's quick brief. Finally, hit generate. Now 2 videos are generated. Download the best video. In this way, generate and download all the videos. Here I have generated all the videos. Go to ChatGPT and copy the story narration for voiceover. For voice generation, I am using Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free video editor from Microsoft, which has built-in voice generation feature. Click on Create New Video, then on Record and Create, and then on Text to Speech. Now at the right side, paste the story script. Choose a voice that suits best for your story. In Advanced, you can choose vocal pitch and pace of the audio. Finally, hit Save. The audio is added to the timeline. Then simply export the video. Now everything is ready, we just need to combine them and some editing. For editing, I am using CapCut. Import all the video clip and voiceover. Click on this sort button, choose time imported or created, and latest to earliest. In this way, all the clips are in sequence. Add clips to the timeline. Click on ratio and select 9:16. Then zoom the video to fit on the border. In this way, add all the clips one by one. Then add the voiceover file, right-click, and extract audio. Adjust all the clips according to the voiceover. Go to Audio, then Music, and search for Kid Story. Choose a background music according to the story. Add music to the timeline. Reduce its volume to -20 dB. Add some transitions between all the clips. Click on Captions, select your video's language, and hit Generate. The captions are generated, go to Templates, and select that suits best for your story. I choose this one. Move captions to the center. Make its opacity to the 75%. Our video is ready. Simply export it.
There was a boy named John who was so lazy he couldn't even change his clothes. One day, he saw the apple tree in their yard was full of fruits. He wanted to eat some apples, but he was too lazy to climb the tree and take the fruits. So he lay down underneath the tree and waited for the fruits to fall off. John waited until he was starving, but the apples never fell. Moral of the story: laziness can get you nowhere.
And that's how you can create amazing story shorts completely using AI. If you're ready to start your journey but don't want to wait for monetization requirements, check out my pre-monetized YouTube and TikTok accounts. They're ready to go, so you can focus on creating and growing your audience right away. Click the link in the description to get started, and don't forget to use the New Year code for a 10% discount.